Have you ever noticed how much importance people give you when you join a group or a chat? When you enter a room, do people look at you or do they just ignore you as if you weren't there? Are you a main character or just a background character? In our society, power is thought to mean a lot of money, a big position, or being able to speak your mind loudly. But real power lies in silence. Behavioral psychology says that before you even utter a word, people can guess 55% of your confidence and mental state just by looking at your appearance. Without saying a word, you may be revealing your biggest weaknesses to everyone. Your body is actually like an open book, which reveals your inner anxieties, fears, and frustrations to everyone. But the top 1% of successful people in society move completely differently. Today, we will discuss the secret body language tricks of elite people, which instantly make any ordinary person appear trustworthy, powerful, and respected in the eyes of everyone. But a word of warning. Technique number 5 on this list is so powerful mentally that if used incorrectly, it can make people around you feel extremely uncomfortable, so use it carefully. 1. The turtle trap. Let's start with how our subconscious fears manifest in our bodies. Body language experts call this turtling. Whenever we feel insecure, stressed, or anxious, our subconscious mind tries to protect our neck and vital organs. Subconsciously, you hunch your shoulders and lower your head. Not only does it make you look weak, but clinical studies have shown that this hunched position increases the stress hormone cortisol in your brain, which can interfere with your ability to think clearly. On the other hand, high-status people do the exact opposite. They always keep their earlobes and shoulders as far apart as possible. By keeping your neck straight and your shoulders relaxed, you are sending a powerful signal to your own brain and everyone in the room that you are completely secure, calm, and the true leader of the room. 2. The entrance magic. Most people make a huge mistake when they enter a room. They start talking the second they walk in or apologize nervously. "Hey guys, sorry I'm a little late," or "Can I sit here?" By doing this, you are making your position look easy at the beginning. It's as if you are begging for their acceptance. Instead, use the 3-second rule, like top executives and successful leaders. Whenever you walk into a room, stop right there. Stand completely still for exactly 3 seconds. Don't smile or fix your clothes. Just look around the room and calmly look the key people in the room in the eye. These 3 seconds of silence act as a psychological reset button for the entire room. It forces everyone in the room to stop talking, look at you, and wait for you to speak. 3. The unshakable gaze. Your eyes are the first to give away your true state of mind. When people are nervous, their blink rate increases dramatically because their nervous system is in overdrive. If you blink frequently, the person in front of you will immediately know that you are nervous and that the game is in their hands. If someone wants to dominate, intimidate, or test you in a conversation, turn the game upside down. Deliberately slow down your blinking. When they speak, look into their eyes. Count quietly in your mind. 1, 2, then close your eyes naturally and open them again without losing focus. This calm and unwavering gaze shows extreme courage. It sends the message to the person in front of you that no amount of their words or tactics can win you over. On the contrary, you are annoyed or bored. When you don't match their nervous energy, all the pressure will fall on them. They will start to doubt themselves, stutter while speaking, and their own blinking will start to occur rapidly. 4. Open palms technique. Where are your hands now? Are they tucked into your pockets, or are they folded tightly across your chest? If so, stop doing so now. Hiding your hands signals to the human brain that you are hiding something, making you appear suspicious and nervous. To fix this immediately, use the world-famous steeple position. Gently bring your fingertips together to form a pyramid-like shape in front of your chest. This is a favorite gesture of the world's top CEOs and world leaders, as it conveys deep intelligence, focus, and confidence. Also, whenever you speak, keep your palms open or visible to everyone. Our evolutionary psychology sees open palms as a symbol of security, honesty, and clarity. This small change breaks down the mental defenses of people, making you instantly more credible and trustworthy than any other speaker. 5. The tactical pause. This is the most deadly and powerful trick on this list. Ordinary people panic or get scared when there is a slight silence or pause in the middle of a conversation. They start talking nonsense to cover that silence, stutter, and try to make it bigger by using unnecessary words. But successful and influential people use silence as a weapon. From today, whenever someone asks you an important or difficult question, do not answer immediately. Take a deliberate pause or pause of 2 seconds. Maintain eye contact. Allow the surrounding silence to continue, and then give your answer. This small pause does 2 things. First, the person who asked you will get a little nervous and wonder, did he say something wrong? Second, it makes your words more valuable and weighty. People will think your answer is very well thought out, mature, and important. Always remember, in society, no one pays attention to the one who talks too much, but the one who talks the least. People listen the most. 6. Special dominance. Just as success is contagious, it also knows how to claim its own space. A famous Harvard Business School study on workplace dynamics found that sitting near a top performer increases your performance by up to 15%. But to truly earn respect in the workplace or in a meeting, you need to claim your physical space. Never compromise on your physical presence when sitting in a meeting. Always choose a chair that has armrests or places to rest your hands. Placing your hands on these naturally expands your chest, opens your lungs, and makes your voice sound more serious and confident. Also, if you are sitting in a revolving chair, don't just turn your neck to look at someone. Turn your entire body or torso towards the speaker. Turning your entire body is a very high-profile nonverbal signal that says, I have your full attention and I am fully present in this discussion. Body language isn't just about impressing or fooling the person in front of you. It's actually a way to rewire your own brain. The next time you feel nervous, change your physical position. Stand up straight, keep your shoulders relaxed, and your feet planted firmly on the ground. Stop being a victim of the situation. Straighten your neck and take complete control of your life as well as the room.